in this class now? You are using your mobile or a laptop?
Laptop.
Okay. What is the shape of a laptop?
Triangle. Triangle.
Triangle. Oh, your laptop is a triangle. Now that's different. I would like to see that. And if you want to see the time, where do you see the time?
Mom, clock.
Okay. Yes. You see a clock. Ah, yeah. Even in your mobiles and tablets, also you will see that time. Ah, I'm able to see your hand. Okay. So, tell me. Hello. So, what is the shape of a clock?
Circle.
Ah, that's nice. You people really know many things. Okay. What is the shape of a book? What is the shape of a book?
Mom, rectangle.
Yes. Yes, we have a rectangle. Okay.
Okay.
So we have many different shapes, right? Around us, circles, triangles, rectangles, and many things. So I want to know how many of you would like to play a game with these shapes. Show me a thumbs up. How many wants to? How many want to play a game or learn a story about shapes? Many different shapes. Okay. Wow, that's nice. I see that almost every one of you want to play games with shapes. So today I have got a story with which we are going to learn many different things about shapes, like how you people were telling me about triangles, squares, and rectangles. We will try to know many different things. And yes, tell me, do you people like to go to your grandma's home? Yes?
No, Mom, as my grandma lives in my home only.
Oh, okay. Fine. So you people like to go to new places and new things?
I like to go.
Yes. Even I like to go to my grandmom's house because our grandmoms are sweet, right? And even if you go to relatives' place also, they'll try to give us so many things. And you know what? Why I like them is whenever we go to somebody's place, not just they'll give us different types of food and all, but they'll try to teach us something new, isn't it?
Yes.
So that's the reason I always like to go. So today also in our story, a little girl is there, just like very enthusiastic and curious and very, very interesting like you all. She goes to some place and if we go for some time, it will be okay. If we are there for a long time, how will we feel? A bit bored, sad? Do we? For a long time, we'll sit and we have no friends to play. Yes, right. It will be pretty boring. So today, when the little girl goes, they'll be doing something really very fun and interesting. So we will also try to learn, okay? And in the meantime, whoever didn't get papers or pencils, please get them, okay? Papers, pencil, and if you want to color also, if you are interested, please do get some colors, okay? I may ask you to draw something or we will do something fun, okay? Oh, you're already ready, Advika. That's nice. I see so many people are ready. That's good. That's good. Hari is showing his paper. And Hitanchi Yoshi all thumbs up. That's nice. Okay. So whoever didn't get a paper and pencil, please do get it. In the meantime, we'll just start the story in a couple of minutes. Okay. So many different shapes and all we will learn. And try to look around you people and see what shapes can you observe. Okay. Fine. So I'll go ahead and start the story. Please show me a thumbs up. No need to always say. Also, you can just, that's nice. I'm seeing all the thumbs up. Okay, fine. So before starting, I am Padmalata and I am your storyteller today. Okay. So storyteller is a person who, what does a storyteller do?
Mom, they teach us and told us some stories from which we can learn many new things.
Yes, thank you, Hitanshi. That's right. So, storyteller is a person who tells the story. So, I am your storyteller, Padmalata. Okay. So, I'm going to share my screen, and at any point of time, if you people cannot see or anything, try to just answer. Okay. Then I'll try to adjust my screen. So, now, yes, let's get into the story. Yes. Okay. Yes. Are you people able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, this will be good. So, what do we see in the picture over here? Yes, what are we able to see in the picture over here?
Circle.
Hmm. Yes,
A girl.
yes,
A bird.
yes,
A
Advika,
kite.
right?
And a balloon.
That's good, that's good. So,
kite.
yes, we are seeing a lot, many number of shapes, and a girl is actually holding a board, and a bird is also there, right? So, this looks very interesting, no? So many colors, and how is the girl? Is she happy or sad? How is she?
Happy.
Happy, yes, that's right. So the story name is The Drawing Game. So they are having a fun game which includes drawing. Wow, that sounds interesting, right? Drawing. Wow, that sounds interesting, right? Yes? Show me your thumbs up. Yeah. So our story name is The Drawing Game, and the author is Anita Murthy. Author is the person who actually wrote the story, okay? And illustrator is the person who did this colorful and wonderful drawings which are so beautiful, no? So that person is Anjana, and I am your storyteller, okay? So that is it. We have just started the story. Whoever joined in just now, we are starting with the story, and the story name is The Drawing Game. And who can you see in this picture? Who do you think that is?
Grandma.
Yes, possibly her grandmother only. So why don't we see?
Yeah.
Gino is spending her summer holidays at her grandma's house. She has no friends here. She is bored. Huh. So yes, that's correct. What you people told me is right. Whom you see here is the grandma. And what is the girl's name? Gino. Yes, that's right. It's Gino. So Gino is the little girl, and she went for summer holidays, it seems. And I asked you already, right? If you are going to a new place and if we are not having many things to do, we'll feel bored, right? Sad face, right? Even Gino was pretty bored. And look at the bird on the head. Even she's also feeling bored, no?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, because I think the bird is also Gino's friend. That's why Gino is bored, even the bird is sad. So what do we do when no friends are there? We will go to our grandmas, we'll say, "Na, Aji, play with me." So Aji means grandmother in one of the Indian languages. Okay. So play with me, she says. And then, Aji is like happy smiling. She is like, go get a piece of chalk. Let's play a game. Okay, can anybody tell me what do you mean by a chalk? I think many of you know.
Mom,
What is a chalk?
chalk is used to write on a blackboard.
Yes, that's right. Chalk piece is white in color, basically, but we have different colors of chalks now. We use that to draw. We can draw on the floor also. Okay, but kids, I don't want you to write on your floors or walls, okay? Do you think is it a good habit to draw on the floors or walls?
No, ma'am.
No, that's right. Okay, you can answer me or you can show me your thumbs up or thumbs down. Yes, you're not supposed to, right? So if anybody is interesting to draw, no, why don't you use your papers and all, okay? Papers and anywhere. And then even your parents will be happy, you can also save it. So now Aji is like, grandmom, go get me a piece of chalk and we will play. Okay. So now what do you think she might do? Even I am wondering what she will do with a chalk. So let's go ahead and see what she's going to do. Yes, that's right. Thanks for showing me your thumbs up. Yes, Gino is excited because as soon as it's a game, she wants to play. But okay, grandmom said she will play, but what she'll play? That's why she's having that question mark face, right? She's like, what she'll make me do and all. Then what is Aji doing? She draw a shape. And Aji is like, I know this shape. What's new in it? Okay, so what is the shape over there?
Circle.
Ah, that's right. Yes. Yes, that's a circle. That's correct. So, but Gino isn't happy. Is she happy or sad? How is she looking?
Sad.
Yeah, because okay, she's drawing a shape, but I already know what is a circle. What will she play and what is she thinking? Ah, this is a silly game. What do you mean by silly, which is not interesting? No, that's why she is sad. But the bird is looking interesting. Oh, she's drawing something. And know what is happening. Then Aji says, wait, don't worry. There is something more. Oh, really? What is it? Now, what did her grandma do with that?
Smiling.
Yeah. So now how does it look? Yes.
Smiley.
You like a smiley?
Yes.
Yes, that's right. That's right. You can show me a thumbs up also. I'll see. Okay. So now she's like very happy. Now Gino is also smiling like the smiley. Then she said immediately, how you people are intelligent. No, even she's intelligent. She said it's a smiley face. Now, as soon as somebody does something good, what you'll say or what you'll do? We will say good, nice, and we will clap, right? Yes, you said right. So even her grandmom clapped and she's like, yes, that's right. Now you understood the game. This looks interesting, right? So let us see what is the next part of the game. Wow, no, what do you see here?
क्या
A
दिख रहा है?
sun.
Yes, and the sun is in which shape?
Circle.
Round. Circle.
Yes, and what is the bird holding?
A balloon.
Yes, and what is that shape? Yes, that is also a circle. So now Gino understood the game. What is it? What are all in circle shape she's trying to find? Wow, that's beautiful, right? And if you see, the sun is also smiling like a Mickey Mouse. Yes or no? The Mickey Mouse face.
Mickey Mouse.
Yes.
Yes, that's very cute, no? Yeah, so Gino is also full happy, smiling and all. So whoever is interested to draw, they can also draw some pictures. They can already start drawing, and I'm seeing some people are already doing that. Okay. And actually, these pictures Gino draw. Oh, so smiley face was drawn by a grandmom, and now Gino is drawing this. It's just beautiful, no? And okay, I'm asking you one question. At the end of the session, I'll ask you. I'll give you 3 different circles. Okay, what can you draw? Think. Try to draw something with 3 circles. Okay. You can do that after once we complete the story. In the meantime, you can keep thinking. Okay. I am already seeing thinking pose. Now, what is this shape?
Mom, triangle.
Yes. Yes, that's right. Wow, you kids are really very brilliant. I'm so happy. Yes. So, like you, immediately Gino is also shouting a triangle. Wow. Then when she says, the grandmother is laughing because Gino understood it immediately. And how is the bird looking? See, like, and what is the shape of the bird nose?
Mom, triangle.
Yes.
Triangle, ma'am.
Yes, that's right. So now Gino has seen the triangle shape, and now what they're going to do? What is she making with the triangle shapes?
Star.
Yes,
Stars.
those are stars. With the triangle seeing stars, and if you notice, even in Gino's eyes, it's stars, right? This is interesting. No, see, with the circles, she has made a smiley face and a sun and a balloon, and with the stars. Sorry, with the triangles, she has made stars. And what else can you make with triangles? Will you keep thinking, kids? I want to see what you people are going to do with triangles. I'm really waiting and interesting. Okay. So what else we are going to see now? Which shape? Yes. And what do you see here?
A duck.
Yes. It's a bird. Yes, that's a bird because it's round with circles and triangles. If you observe, the only shapes are circles and triangles. Yes, still know what shapes?
Circle
and
triangle.
Yes, so they have drawn this. Okay, I noticed that people have just joined in. So for those people who missed the story till now, I'll tell you. Okay, we have a little girl named Gino who was pretty bored. So her grandmother is trying to make her play a game with shapes. So till now, what shapes did we see, kids? Tell me, anybody want to tell me?
Circle and triangle.
Yes, thank you. Yes, we have seen circles.
Triangle. Triangle.
Yes, yes, Shriram, that's right. Yeah, so now we have seen with circles what we can do and with triangles what we can do. So this is a shape which circles and done. Okay, now who has come to play with using? And you people told me correctly. That's a bird. Wow, that's nice. And then what? Okay, now the circle doesn't have any sides. A triangle has how many sides? You can show me with your fingers. How many sides does a triangle have?
3.
Yes, that's right. That's right. Yes. So 3 sides. And if we are having 4 sides, what is that shape called? If we have 4 sides, what is that shape?
Square.
Yes, a square or a rectangle also, right? And now she has drawn a rectangle. And with a rectangle, what can we do?
Window.
Yes, what you see there is a window. And rectangle, yes, rectangle means we will have all the sides different. But if it is a square, all the sides are equal. Okay. So here we are having a square. And in this window, how many squares are there again? Can you count along with me?
4.
Yes, that's correct. That's correct. Yes, we have 4 squares in this particular window. And what else are we going to draw? Let us keep going ahead and see what can we draw with that. And now, yes, what do we see here?
Tree and window.
Christmas tree.
Yes, that's right.
Window.
Yes, we see a window which is of square, which is having many squares, and a triangle that will form a tree, right? And what is the
Tree.
base of the tree? Which shape is that?
Triangle.
The base of the tree. Rectangle. Okay. So now they are playing with these shapes, right? It's just beautiful. And what is the bird holding in the hand? What is the bird holding?
Phone.
Ice cream.
Yes, that's right. And what is the shape of an ice cream cone?
Triangle.
Triangle.
Yes, triangle. That's correct, Advika. Yes. So in that, what are they having? Scoops of ice cream, right? And what are the scoop of ice cream? Which shape is that?
Circle.
Wow, that's correct. Yes, kids, that's just brilliant. Yes, so they are having many shapes, and if you notice, it's just beautiful, right? To see so many shapes at one place. Yes, so they have drawn with all of these. And now Gino is very much interested. This game is really fun and interesting. So can I go ahead and paint them? Oh, she likes to paint and color. And I want to see what you people are drawing. Okay. Later on, I'll ask you to show me your papers. Okay. If you want to draw anything with circle, square, rectangle, and a triangle, you can go ahead. And she has completed drawing, and Gino holds up her painting. And what is the painting having? So many circles and squares. And if you see the bird they have drawn, she has colored the bird also. The bird is really pretty, right? With yellow color and purple color ones, right? And guys, if you have attended your Mamta ma'am session earlier, she has even told you how to draw bird with numbers also. Yes?
Wow.
How is this looking? Beautiful?
Giraffe,
Do you like it?
giraffe, tree.
Nice. Wow. A
Beautiful, right? So
Nice.
see, with the different shapes, they have drawn this picture. Yes. And if you notice, everything is a square or a rectangle or a triangle or a circle. So what do we see here? What all are we able to see?
Giraffe, tree, house.
Yes.
Python, giraffe.
Yes, we are seeing circles. That's true. We are seeing circles. We are seeing
Yes.
house, window. And what is the animal over there?
Giraffe.
Yes, that's
Giraffe.
correct. That is giraffe. Wow, even a giraffe is all of triangles if you notice, right? So how many different things can we do with some shapes? No, it's beautiful, right? So like that. And if you notice, what is that? There is also more to it, it seems. What is it? A bird is flying to its home in a tree. And guess who is coming to land? Her best friend Giraffe. Oh, now Gino has made an art picture and now she's telling a story with it. So where do birds live? Where do you see the birds?
In tree.
Yes. So for
In
us,
tree.
that's correct. For us, our home is the place where we stay, right? Our apartments or our houses. And for a bird, its home is a tree. and they are in that home they're having a guest, it seems, and guest is a person who comes to visit us, right? And here, who is the guest in the picture? Who is the guest? Which animal do you see?
Giraffe.
Yes,
Giraffe.
that's correct. When I ask you a question and you say a right answer, what will I do? Thank you. That's wonderful, kids. Yes. So now a giraffe has come to have lunch, it seems. Ah, that's good. So what else are they doing? And once she has done that, they're saying, wow, you're so clever, Gino. Ajji. Ajji is nothing but the... Yes, grandmother is like, wow, Gino, you're really clever. And now what? Jean is also interested like you people, and she wants to draw some more and more and more. And now what has she drawn here? Yes, what do you see in the picture over here? What has Gino drawn now? And painted over?
Flowers.
That's correct. Correct.
Flowers.
Hmm. And which insect do you see here?
Butterfly.
That's correct. Yes.
Butterfly.
Yes. So in that earlier picture, she has drawn a house and birds and animals. And in this particular picture, Gino used the shapes circles, triangles, and butterflies and all. This sounds really interesting. Okay, before proceeding with the story, I would like to ask you a couple of questions, okay? Okay, just a minute. Yes. So now I have already seen that so many people are drawing here. So can anybody show me what they're drawing? Yes. Thank you, Harini. That's nice. I'm seeing a house and bird and everything. Yes. Who else wants to show me what they've drawn? Yes. Okay. So I want to show you something and I want to ask you a couple of questions. I told you, right? So now, what is this shape? What do you notice in my hand?
Cuboid.
Wow, you know what is a cuboid also. That's nice. Okay, what is this? That's right. So this is a shape which you have seen as per the tree, no? And what is this shape?
Cube.
No, this is not a cube.
Square.
That's right. That's right. This is a square. So square is having all four sides equal, right? And a rectangle, only two sides are equal. So shall I show you one more shape? And what is this shape? Yes. How can we make a tree?
Mom, triangle and
So is this the shape of a tree?
arrow.
Yes. If you want to make a house, what shapes do I have to take?
Mom, square.
Yes.
Triangle.
Yes. So this is it. Is this your house?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you. So you people really know a lot of things, right? And what is this shape?
Triangle.
If you see in two-dimensional, that means if you see it like, but if you see in the space, it's a pyramid, right? And this is also square. See, yes?
Cuboid.
Cube. This is because it's a square, right? So a square. If you see two-dimensional with three-dimensional, it's a cube. Okay. So we have so many shapes like this. And okay, just a minute. So who else is drawing? Can I see any other pictures, please?
Me, ma'am.
So I see that still people are coming. I just want to show the story again because somebody told me they want to know. So I'll share the story again. Okay. So we'll just go a little bit fast. Fine. Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Oh, ma'am.
No, you people are not. Okay, you people are not able to see my screen. Just a minute, kids. Okay. camera. Right. Okay.
Ma'am, network problem.
Yes. That's a little bit problem. So sorry for that. Yes. Okay. I think now you will be able to see my screen, right? So
Yes.
yes. Can you tell me what is the story name?
Ma'am, the drawing game.
Yes. So in the drawing game, our little girl Ginu, where did she go? Yes. Where did Ginu go?
Ma'am, to his Ajji's house.
Yes, to her grandmom's house. And she was bored. So what did she want to do?
Ma'am, she want to play with his Ajji.
Yes. So she wants to play, and her grandmom now says that chalo, let's go and play a game. And now what game they've started playing? They've started playing a game with shapes. So here we can see Aji who has taken a chalk and she is drawing a circle. And from that circle, she has made a smiley. And then Gino also liked the game. And what should she draw? A sun and a balloon, right? And then now they have taken the next shape, which is a triangle. And from the triangle, what did they draw? They have drawn stars. Yes. And then with the circles and the triangles together, they have formed a bird. After that, they have taken the shape of a square. From the square, they have formed a window. And now using all the shapes, they have tried to draw a house, a tree, and a window. Now she wants to color them too. And now she started drawing a picture. This is with a house, trees, giraffe, and birds. And then she also did something else. She has drawn flowers, butterflies, and little grass also. So like that, Gino had a great time playing with all these things. And now, can you tell me where else you see the shapes in this particular picture? Wait, let me, yeah, here. Can you see any different shapes?
Yes, ma'am.
Where do you see them? Where do you see them? Just a minute. Yes. Okay, in this picture, I see a diamond and different crisscross lines. Where do you see them?
Ma'am, inside the window.
Okay, and somewhere else also you can see circles. Where do you see the circles?
Ma'am, Gino's eyes and the bird's eyes and her.
Yes, that's correct. That's right. If you see Gino's dress, what is the Gino's dress design?
Ma'am, circles, squares.
So many different shapes, right?
and squares.
Yes. So see, if you notice, even Gino's dress has so many shapes, right? So that is how they all played with different shapes. And now I asked you a question in between. What will you draw with 3 different circles? So anybody has drawn what? Something with the circles?
Ma'am, it can be bird.
Right. And what can you draw with?
We can make eyes
Yes,
and,
that's right.
duck also.
Okay. Now I will try to ask you a couple of questions. Let's see who is going to answer me. Okay. Okay. What do you see here?
Ma'am, about the shapes.
Yes. So here I try to draw different shapes and the number of sides also. So as you people told me, a triangle has 3 shapes. A square has 4 sides. And these are a bit different ones, which are pentagon and a hexagon. These are different. So here I try to draw this particular shapes just so that you can also have some fun. If you want, you can also draw something. Okay. And these are the various shapes, right? Which you see everywhere. And what can you do with shapes? Many different things. And what is the shape here?
Circle. And
Yes.
And circle.
You can, yes, that's right. Every one of you is right. So with circles, there are so many things around our house, right? We can collect them like this. And what are the circles? Different types of circles you see here.
A mat. It is circle.
Yes, that's a circle. What all do you see? Which different shapes of circles? Mat is there, yes. And?
Orange.
Yes.
And orange and pizza.
Orange and
pizza. Pizza.
Yes, pizza, orange, and everything are of circle shape, right? And if you take a slice of a pizza, what is that shape?
Triangle.
Yes, that's right. Slice of a pizza. That's correct. That's a triangle.
Triangle.
Yes, and this star is made of triangles, right? And do you know what these are? Can anybody tell me what these are?
Mom, that's a flag.
Yes, that's right. In flags also we use different shapes. So that is why I wanted to show you this so that you can know. So these are the flags of countries where they have different shapes inside them. Okay, and what is this?
Mom, Domino's pizza.
That's right. Yes, you people identified. Yes.
Square.
Yes, Domino's pizza symbol it is. And it has squares, and inside the squares, what do you have? Yes,
Squares, rectangle, and circle also.
yes, excellent. That's right. So in the logo, that is called the logo of Domino's, you see a rectangle, you see a square, and you see circles too. That's correct. And what is this symbol? I think many of you know.
YouTube.
Yes,
Triangle.
that's brilliant, kids. Really, I'm so very happy to see all you people answering. Yes, that's the symbol of YouTube app, which has a rectangle and a triangle in between. And you know what is the triangle symbol mean? Play. Even you can see in your remotes or in many different apps. Okay. And these are also flag symbols. Okay. And we can use circles in many different places, and one such is chart. Okay, some people used to show the different things and all, and I think even for coloring also you use them, primary colors and secondary colors, right?
Yes, ma'am.
2 circles also you can do that. And what is this?
Mom, it's a game.
Yes, that's right.
It's a game and rectangle.
Yes, so now yes, that's right. In some places that game is called Tokkud Billa, and many people call it the number game and all. And here also you use the rectangles and squares, right? And we will write the numbers and we will play that game, right? See how many places we are using all the squares and all. And what is this game?
It is a game.
Yes, it is a board game, right? That's Pachisi. And in another language also we call it something else. Like, okay, what is the shape of a Ludo game?
Mom, triangle. A rectangle or a square.
Yes, it can. Yes, square with like this, which is something looking like this only, but this isn't Ludo. Okay, so even in Ludo we have circles, squares, and all. Can anybody tell me in which board game do we have all squares, black and white squares?
Mom, chess.
Yes, that's right. Yes, yes, that's right. You'll have a square board with black and white rectangles. Yes. And okay, any other board game which is having a square and holes in the corners, 4 corners? Yes, Snake and Ladder also has a lot of squares. Okay. The game which I am asking, it's a board game which has 4 holes in the corners. You will use a striker. Yes, that's right, Carom. And
Carom board.
yes.
Carom board.
Yes, that's correct. So, yes, kids. So here if you see, these are the different shapes you can use and you can do some craft activity. Okay, these are just some examples. If you're interested, you can do that. Okay, and see. Okay. So, yes. Okay, kids. So that is how we can do different things with a different shapes. So how is this shapes game? Nice?
Yes, ma'am.
People like it?
ma'am.
Wow, Harini already drew and colored it also. That's just beautiful. Wow, so many people are drawing with you. People are really good artists.
Show something.
Yes, please. Advika, that's really beautiful. Awesome. Bird, trees and all. You can later color it and show to your mom also. She'll be very happy seeing that, no? Okay. Yes. And I want to show you something else also. Okay. I will do. Okay. You people watch and tell me. What is the shape of this?
Ma'am, triangle.
No.
Rectangle.
Okay. Yes, that's it. Rectangle. Don't see the colors of the folding. Okay. Now I will show you all the 4 shapes using one paper. May I show you?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a rectangle, right? If I fold this like it, now, and I make one more fold, what is this shape?
Tiger.
Now, I will,
Triangle.
yes, now I'll try to cut that. And then now, what is this shape?
Ma'am, square.
Square.
A rectangle paper, when folded into a triangle, you'll remove this one. So this is a triangle. Yes, I'll try to make one more fold. Now this is a
Triangle. Triangle.
yes, and I'm trying to cut it. Okay, if you are using a scissors when you are doing, try to be very careful. And what is this shape?
Circle.
Exactly. So with one piece of paper, we can do so many things, right? So we are doing many things. And what is this shape? What is this shape? Full shape.
Oh. Triangle.
Okay, the full shape.
Half circle.
Yes.
Triangle.
And yes. Okay, now I want you people to write what sort of circle shape items do you see around? What shape circles do you see? One, I'll try to show you. What?
Ma'am, I think, ma'am,
Yes.
clock,
Yes,
Sunday,
that's right.
face,
Yes, that's colorful. Yes. So, okay. How about I show you shapes with hands? Do you want to do it along with me?
Yes, ma'am.
With hands,
Yes,
I'll show you. Everybody ready? Show me a thumbs up whoever wants to see the shapes with the hands.
Yes.
Okay. First, easiest one is a circle. I want everybody to show along with me. How is this? Yes, that's a circle. Yes. And now what is the next shape in the picture? Sorry, in the story. What was the next shape?
Triangle.
Now I want you to put it like this L shape. Open your 2 fingers like this. And this one also like this. Now join like this. These two should be in a straight line. And now like this. What is this shape?
Triangle. Ma'am, it's a triangle. Triangle.
That's correct. Wow, your kids are really brilliant. See, you people are knowing immediately, right? So, how is the circle? Show me. How do you show a circle?
triangle,
Yes, like that. And show me a triangle. Show me a triangle. Yes, that's correct. That's beautiful. That's correct. And what is the next shape? What am I supposed to show you people?
a heart,
Okay, next shape. What do you want? Which shape do you want to see?
heart,
Again, you will take the L shapes. Now, like this.
heart,
Now, what is this shape?
diamond,
Okay. Yes. Try to touch both of your thumbs. Okay. Touch both of your thumbs and automatically you will get the shape square.
Ma'am, it is looking like a fish.
Yes, that's right. Yes. If you put it like this, it's like a fish. Yes. So we have seen a circle, we have seen a triangle, and we have seen a square. So this is how you can show shapes with your fingers, with papers, and with many different items. Okay. Whoever has drawn, they can send me your pictures and everything. So,
We can show one more shape.
yes. How? Please tell me how to what shape can I see? You want to show me something?
Just do like this.
diamond,
Yes, that's correct. If you do it like this, it's like a diamond. Yes,
diamond,
yes, it's over. So everybody like the story?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm so sure. I'm also very happy. You people are also really brilliant and excellent kids. Okay. If anyone want to do the artwork also, they can draw and they can show it to your ma'am and to your parents. Okay. So next time, try to you also play with the many different shapes. Okay. So see you all again.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
See you all again.
Bye.
Bye. Have a happy weekend.